course, being skeptical before I took it and then jumping in and now, have months afterwards, really even feeling the results of it. Just to say that, being in the course was easy. For somebody like me that I am not an illustrator in any way. All I did was, for you to guide us through and to have it in a way that you have videos, but to be able to have the videos to go back to, I think that was really helpful. Just to have everything kind of laid out, the structural part of it, choosing what size you want, and a step by step how to go through from creation part all the way through to the production part. Who do you have print them, and how do you deal with that piece of it? Those are the things that I wouldn't have ever been able to figure out on my own. I think for me, having the option of having the illustrations was just a no-brainer. That was just the thing that put it over the top for me, because it's like a whole package,
So,
something where, you have everything. You have the support, you have the, guidance, and you have all the tools that you need.
mhm.
So I feel like I went through the course pretty quickly because of that. I think I didn't get like held up or stopped on any of it because, oh, I don't have this piece that I'm going to have to figure out on my own and bring in.
How long it took to you for you to do the course, like from start to
I would say, I'm going to say like 3 weeks
Ah, that's amazing.
to have it to have it, the printer ready to go.
This is
Hmm.
amazing. We should put that in the sales page.
Hmm.
Because my idea, I think maybe in 4 weeks they can do it, but 3 weeks, wow, this is like more than my expectations, honestly. But it is possible because it's all there. Like you got the Canva templates, you got the illustrations. So it's all about really how long it takes for you to channel what you want to really give in the course. And normally, when you are a coach, you already kind of know, right? What's your message, what you want to, to communicate. So yeah. That makes me happy. 3 weeks. Wow, it's amazing.
Community aspect is really important too, because we were kind of cheering each other on, and you would see what other people are making and feel like, oh my gosh, if they're able to do it, maybe I can do it.
Mm.
And just going along the same process with people, makes it so much more like doable.
So, how do you feel like your card deck improved your business? Do you think it improved a little bit your business and your relationship with your clients as well?
Definitely. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just being able to offer the card deck to people. I think they learned more about my business. People that maybe, were not my clients, just a bigger audience. It brought in, more income for me too, and brought in more clients for me. And more people were able to access my work, even people that maybe couldn't even afford a session or something like that. They're still receiving support from me. Um, and I still like the people that even got my first, the first few decks of cards that I sold,
Mhm.
they're still kind of coming back to me like half a year later, months later, and telling me how, they gave it. Some people will buy like 3 or 4 decks, and they'll say, I gave a deck to my grandmother or my friend or something like that that's going through cancer treatment, for self-care because they think it's so important. And I just keep getting really good feedback. So yeah, it's supported my, business in a lot of different ways, I would say. And same thing for your course. Like it was a challenge to think like maybe I could do it, but I really feel like on the other side of that, how it's helped me, but it's also helped so many people to be able to get, my work out into the world in a bigger way too.
And also, maybe they see you creating this card and they're like, ah, maybe it's not that hard. I can do my own card deck as well. And I love that so much. I'm all about abundance. And this is why I'm sharing my illustrations. I want people to be more connected to each other, to help each other, to it's not as hard as we make it in our minds. And we
Right.
by example, and we can just share the knowledge and yeah. I think the world needs more of that, like support, and especially between our as women, you know. And there is, I can see there is like a shift going on, like.
Definitely.
And my daughter is saying, "Okay, this is enough. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good sleep.
Say mwah. A kiss. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
See you soon.